हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू स्टॉक मार्केट विज़र्ड। आज हम बात करेंगे 19th of January के ट्रेड के बारे में। So I have tried to do an online YouTube session, a live YouTube session, and I ended up posting a loss. There are a couple of reasons for that. The first one being I couldn't manage both my trade and my live session simultaneously because I couldn't show my account details in that live session because that's not the right way to do that, and I wasn't able to manage my position properly, and just partly the idea of my trade even was wrong, but yeah, it happened. So but by the end of the day I could recover all my losses and ended up with a small profit. So this is how my trading day of 19th of January went, and this is my first trade. I have posted a loss of 9,860. As I said, I couldn't manage my position properly because I was trying to do a live session. That's my first time doing a live session. I'll try to improve that in future or further going on. So by the end of the day, I could take a couple of scalp trades and get my losses covered. So that's how it went. Like I've been trading in Bank Nifty since the past 900 days or 20,000 plus hours. So I pretty much know how does it behave in most of the scenarios. So you can see that market has given a sharp rally, and there was a support all over 38,000 and 37,900. You can see that this is completely a support zone. Yeah, this is a support zone, and market even respected that zone once, twice. Okay, I'll label. So the basic rule that we follow in trading and in technical parameters is that if any support or resistance is tested more than three times, it is more likely to break down or break upside. Like a breakout is very much possible, and the 38,000 level has pretty much been tested multiple times. And my first trade was that I have taken a buy position because when I to take my first trade, and actually I have traded something. My plan was to trade something different. So I'll show you what my intended plan was. So you can see, I'll draw you and show you what I have planned and what happened. So here is a pole and this is a flag. So it's a bullish pattern. It's a P or pole and flag pattern. So as soon as it broke this level 38,180, my target was this 38,300 with a small stop loss. I'll show you what I planned, but I couldn't do that because I was trying to go live and stuff like that. So it's pretty much on the, this would be my stop loss, and this was my intended target 30,300. It was more than 2.5 ratio and it was like a very quick trade. The target got achieved in 5 minutes and I couldn't do that. But when the market came back and it formed a doji candle, it was in a doubt whether it should go down or up, and I felt that there is a chance that it might go up until 38,400, and I've again taken a re-entry. Like I've taken an entry over here with stop loss under this candle's low, and it gave me a stop loss in the next 10 minutes. So that's how my first trade ended. I've posted a loss over there, and my second trade was like, I'll show you, I'll come back to the 15 minutes and show you. So it tested for the third time even 38,000 level, and even it came back for the fourth time 38,000, but it formed a green candle over there. But the next following up candles, you can see that they were not so bullish candles. Like in the first case, you can see that there's a strong bullish momentum over here, which supported the levels, and the second time it came, there was no such strong bullish momentum coming back from 38,000. So I was pretty much sure that the sellers could dominate that level, and even if you see Nifty at the time of 11:45, it was at the verge to break its day's low. So I've taken a trade over here. This was my second place to take a trade over here, and yeah, I pretty much placed my stop loss over there and got some profit out of this trade. I could not trade for longer time in this trade too because it was a very volatile market. As you can see, it broke down and it again gave a sharp wick and again went down. So I've done a couple of trades. My trailing stop loss got hit and I just got out with 11,000 from that trade and made 1,000 profit. That was fine. It was a volatile day, but still didn't lose a penny out of the day, being multiple reasons. So yes, that's how my day went. And the next thing I'm planning right now is it's an expiry day, and the market has given a sharp rally downside. And like I don't think so tomorrow there can be any big bullish momentum, neither a big bearish momentum, because the market has moved a lot downside. Yep, maybe yes, it can go a bit like downside, but there are multiple supports over here. Like as soon as it crosses the level 37,700, there's a support at 37,500, there's a support at 37,400. So I'm not expecting a bull like a trending market tomorrow. And how market moves basically is if it's a trending market, and the next following markets would be like a volatile market, which is already given as a volatile market, and then next we can expect a sideways market. So we can expect a market range from 37,000, sorry, 38,200 to 37,800. So pretty much in 400. The market has high chance that it would trade somewhere in between this if it's a flat opening or small gap down or gap up. So pretty much in this range, the markets can stay until 2 o'clock till tomorrow at least. So that's how I'm planning my day tomorrow. And if there's a big gap down or gap up, then we need to see according to the price action. That's it for today, friends. Thank you.